cases.
In the court of public opinion, Deputy Inspector General of Police Eliud Kipkoech Lagat is guilty as charged. But in Kenya's criminal justice system, Lagat has no case to answer. Questions linger about a massive cover-up from the top investigative agencies DCI and IPOA to the highest echelons of the police service. Who is really protecting Kenya's second most powerful cop? Albert Ojwang was arrested after DIG Lagat accused him of defamation. Days later, he was found dead, beaten, tortured, and murdered. 6 suspects now face charges, but Lagat's name is conspicuously absent. Why? We break down 10 unanswered questions that a rookie junior detective would have uncovered. Unanswered question number 1. Why was DIG Lagat, who ordered Ojwang's arrest, was never treated as a person of interest, if not a prime suspect, since day one, but was only interrogated by IPOA after public pressure? As the deputy IG, Lagat's name featured prominently in the activist and family accounts alleging direct or indirect involvement or protection of those responsible. His total omission raises serious doubts about the scope and integrity of the probe by IPOA. Unanswered question number 2. If the killers acted on Lagat's orders, why isn't he charged as the principal suspect, as has happened to other recent cases? In the murder of Kasipul MP Charles Ong'ondo, several high-level suspects believed to have ordered or funded the murder have been charged. But why not Lagat? IPOA have also not spoken about the strongest evidence, call records between Lagat, his aides and associates, OCS of Central, Samson Talam. While IPOA can access independent records of Talam and Lagat phone records from telcos, IPOA has remained silent whether it obtained such records and what the records say. Unanswered question number 3. IPOA is still silent on the investigation about details inside OCS Talam's phone.
The state should operate within the law.
The scheme goes higher. Unanswered question number 4. Why did the DPP approve charges just one day after receiving IPOA's file?
We know why they're in a hurry. We know why they are very happy, and Mr. Omari will address it. We know why they brought this matter to court today. And you know which date is coming up soon.
The rapid turnaround between IPOA's file submission and the DPP's charging decision suggests a predetermined outcome, possibly to contain public outrage. But is that investigation enough? The public demands answers. Unanswered question number 5. If this is justice, why does it stink of blood and impunity?
We know the reasons as to why a decision to charge was done today.
While Lagat may be innocent, why has it taken so long for him to issue clear and concise statements to gain public trust? Unanswered question number 6. What specific roles did each of the 6 charged individuals play in the killing? While IPOA lists names of the suspect, it offers no clarity on who ordered the killing, who did the exact murder, or who facilitated the cover-up. Is this deliberate omission meant to shield higher-ups? Unanswered question number 7. Did IPOA or the DPP probe the alleged chain of command within the police unit involved? There is no mention of any command level accountability in a killing involving multiple officers. If this was a coordination operation, who authorized it and who was covering up for others? Unanswered question number 8. Why has the DPP failed to release the full investigative summary or timeline of events? Transparency to the public is critical, yet no detailed findings or explanations has been shared. What is being hidden? Other than Lagat, has the IPOA bothered to record statements from other senior police figures, including the director of DCI, the police spokesperson, for issuing contradictory statements. Unanswered question number 10. Is this a case of selective prosecution to pacify the public and deflect from the powerful figures? Charging junior officers while sparing high-ranking ones like Lagat gives the impression of a strategic sacrifice, ensuring justice appears to be served while shielding the politically untouchable.
We know very well Gen Zs are going for demonstrations on the 25th of Wednesday. The hurry is to placate the Gen Z. But don't worry, we have already taken 6 people to court.
Until DIG Lagat sits in the dock for Ojwang's murder, or at least takes time to explain himself in a statement, answering all questions Kenyans could have, Kenya's justice system remains a criminal enterprise in uniform. The question isn't just who killed Albert Ojwang, it is who is letting them get away with it.